Good afternoon, welcome back to the channel. We're back down at Eastington, down at Dock Lock and John Robinson Lock to have a look at the progress. It's been a few weeks since I've been down here and it's been boiling hot most of it, hardly any rain. The volunteers would have done quite a grueling shift down here, I would have thought. Let's have a look at coming up to Dock Lock now. There's a swan enjoying his afternoon. How you doing, mate? So this has all been cleared since I've last been up here, in preparation for the gates. And whatever. And what's that I can see? That looks like water. Well, I wasn't aware there's any water in here. But let's get down and have a look. And yes, we have water. Oh, look at that. That's the first time I've seen it in water. It was quite some time ago they turned the taps on and obviously found a few issues. But I guess they've all been resolved. Doesn't that look magnificent? It just looks fantastic. What a job they've done. It's always hard to imagine what it would look like with water. And now look at it. We have water. What a job. Still lots more to do. It just looks fantastic. John Robinson Lock. Still a lot of work going on. We'll go and have a look at the brickwork. And for today, that is as far as we can go. There is work going on over there. That is for another video. But for now, let's get the drone up and have a quick look about. hope you've enjoyed that bit of drone footage. We'll leave you with this. It just looks spectacular. I'm so pleased, especially for the volunteers that put in all the work and the dedication that they put into it. Look at it, it's just phenomenal. Brilliant. Well, I'll see you in a couple of weeks here. Cheerio.